Money making, content management system, introduction, regardless of the type of website you are working with. One thing is constant. You will always need to provide some sort of content. What is a sell letter site? Where you are specifically promoting on particular product. Your focus will be intently on the causing in the weaving ultimate makes on purchase. In that case, killer sales copy is only content required. Content driving website or whole different story. The task is and always we will able to provide ongoing relevant information. At the same time, of course, you will be building the size of a website by creating additional subject relevant and hopefully keyword rich page. Then there is AdSense website. Although it is primarily proposed to gain a revenue from target Google AdSense content will be always major factor in generating viewers or traffic. Not just from the start but is a continuing process whereby additional traffic and revenue and achieve it. For the most part, there are three specific category of content: sales copy, article and RSS feeders. Sales copy. In order to gain sales copy, you have three options. One, hire a professional copyright. Two, use sales letter creation software. Three, write sales copy yourself from scratch. Option 1, hire a professional. When it is come to bring a professional copyright, you have to choose that assuming you don't already know a depending and qualified copyright. You can randomly locate someone through our search engine use private service such as Aliens. If you plan to later route, you need to be very cautious. These type of services are generally a valuable source of locating programming but not necessarily for projects that require a good language skill. That's not to say you can't find quality copyright at a place like Aliens. You can, it is just that majority of members will be located in countries where is English language secondary. Whether you located qualified copyright through independent search or through service like Aliens, here is what you need to consider in get your money worth. Make certain you can say other sales copy they have writing. Ideally, you want to review content that is similar to what you will be needing. It's important that you have option of capture discussing your project with them. If they can't or won't talk to you over the phone, cross them off your list. Number 2. Sales letter creator. Using sales letter creation software can be great asset. That is assuming you will win object your find result. In other words, use this software to create the overall sales content, then go back and manually tweak, refine and improve what the software initially provides. While it is true that sales letter creation software can do a pretty decent job of writing a basic sales letter, it is not necessarily a good idea to publish the result. As is that's because its results are somewhat generic, at least with respect to the overall nature of the content. You fill in a few blanks, providing a specific data about your particular product based on what information finished sales letter is the then created. Although this is effective system for generating sales letter, it also have ability to provide content that might seem rather cookie cutter in nature. Of course, that is a benefit of this type of software as well. There's a specific and proven sales letter formal that work most effectively and that what the software program does. Using information your supply. It sharp yourself later using that formula as the basic foundation. One of the best product of accomplishing the kind of shortcut and method of sales writing is the sales letter created. Of course, no matter how good this type of software is, it is a sound idea performing at least minimum amount rewriting polish and refine the content. And in order to do that, you will need basic sales writing skill. For that, you can use the information that include in option 3. Option number 3. Write your one sales copy. Whether you're using letter creation software or writing your sales copy from scratch, the following component, once the most relevant to superior content, will help you achieve the best result. The headline. Your first objective, of course, is to grab the viewer's attention. Remember, from the time someone lands your sales page, you have only got a few seconds to capture their interest. So, you will want to start with a compelling headline, something that will result in following two restrictions. One, the headline immediately stop them from passing on through. Second, the headline caused them to quickly and eagerly dive into the content of your sales letter. Here is several type of higher effective headline. One, the question. How you would like a flow-proof method that will automatically boost all your words conversation ratio to the highest level. 2. The problem solved. Now you can get all your web page, spider and list in Google search result without the risk of having your site banned. 3. The new bulletin. Colorado truck driver get his first website rank 1 on Google for highly competitive keyword using one simple and little known SEO technique. 4. The insider information who learn to secret to getting maximum of financial result from all your AdSense camping on the benefit from almost immediately. 5. The curiosity poly. Everyone wonder how those all level marketing consistently generated ten of thousands of dollars each and even month. 6. The direct and to the point approach. Find out the fastest, easiest and most efficient method of adding tons of quality content to your website. Regardless of what you type headline you see, make you certain your convincing message that will not only keep the viewers for leaving your website but will giving them desire to find out more information. In other words, make them read your sales copy. Of course, getting them to start reading the sales copy is one thing. Getting them finish reading it and them in the desired action is quite another. The best way to do that is address in overall tune of sales later. The tone. No matter what type of product you're promoting, you should always keep the tune of sales copy light and personal. Basically, we want to talk the viewers in casual and conversation manner, just as you would like very sight across from them at dinner table. Share a story with them related to the product or service you're promoting. It doesn't matter whether it is something you personally experienced or someone else did it. There is nothing more effective than drawing a prospective customer into a scenario that can actually become part of. Use perhaps that is basic concept such as imagine what is the would like to be if you are. Think about how would you feel you could are. Envision what kind of lifestyle you and your family could enjoy if you only. The most powerful aspect of sales copy of the ones that clearly touch people emotion. If you can incorporate that into writing in if you can unsuccessful reach your viewers on an up close and personal level, you are really halfway into making that sale. The framework. The framework of sales letter is equally important. 1. The firework establishes means leading the viewers from point A to point B. That is, it created a trial that leads from the initiative content. The headline directly to desired action placing the order. Second, the framework gives to sound structure to get sales content. For the most of parties act similar to outline, you have got several primary areas of information, subheading, and within each those areas are more details subject area. Blocks of information list of features and benefit product details. Third and firework allow viewers to yield screen in entire sales copy and still attend sold batch of key point or information, problem solution, product benefit bonus, price, order link. At the very least, every sales letter should have a solid start, an interesting body of content, and a powerful closing. Natural, the start is your headline. The interesting body of content used following the headline will be comprise various components. The first component should be strong secondary heading and solid opening the line paragraph. This is most likely going to be something that directly associated with the headline. For example, here is the headline, secondary headline, and opening line of the article equalizer. Copy the headline. Finally, the fastest, easiest, and most efficient method of adding tones of quality content to your website. The secondary headline. Have you ever wished you could simple snap your finger and content that specific to your website subject matter magically appear? The opening lines. Well, wish no more, my friend, because that is exactly what you are about to receive. We are talking about page after page well written content. We're talking about the kind of quality content that was previously only available to top right and market on the internet. But the best part of all, it can be available to you just a few click of your mouse. If you think it sounds too good to be true, then list up. Next come to the main body of the sales copy. This will contain anything and everything you want to viewers to know. Although the component of the area of content will vary depending on the product or service you are promoting, the most often include presenting a problem, offering the solution, introducing the product, highlighting consumer benefit, wrapping that in the closing, describing any bounds, pricing and order information, emphasizing call to action, placing order now. Those are most common component behind that. You could also present a testimonial. There are most effectively if you secret them through to sales copy rather than group them is one specific area. It also a good idea to match each testimonial with content that being discussed. For example, you mentioned how much traffic the product will produce. The testimonial just below it should be from someone who mentioned the kind of traffic experience after having used the product or some similar relevance. If you happen to have larger number of testimonials, use the most impressive ones throughout the sales copy and then create links that lead to separately more consumer testimonial page. Last but certainly not least in the PS. This will be neither one of two postscriptum to the very bottom of the sales copy and it will serve two purposes. In the event a viewer memory screen and page initially, it will cause them to go back and read the entire sales copy. Secondly, it hits a view to one last compelling reason to take action to make that purchase right now. As an example, here are two postscripts to the bottom sales letter of article equalizer. P.S. Here's a really ace opener in the time to look to read it later. Other webmasters have added dozens, not hundreds, of new content rich pages to their website. If they have not already done so, that PS giving them reason to go back and read the entire sales copy from top to bottom. PPS. The clock is tracking at your one copy article equalizer and start adding quality content on your site right away. This one emphasizes solid and immediately call to action. Overall, the framework stability logic structure of sales content behind that is important to draw attention to key area of the content. Creating emphasis. Consideration in the amount of extra information that will be included, there is no doubt that sales copy quickly become rather monotonous. You have the volume to text that you are dealing with. If you are not careful, area for content can be blended together in one continuous blur. To prevent that from happening, you need to periodically break a body of text with bold list of subject heading. Additional, you will want to use accent techniques such as bold or italic of a highlight and background color. What you want to make the most relevant and key point within your sales content stand out. What want you not want to create career away using so many accent? bold and highlight technique the time entity sales in the compromised. In this particular instance, less is definitely more. Start by accenting one of the most important word perhaps throughout is sales content, then scan the page. We are able to get good gist of the what offer entails. Did you get overall scene of what you will receive by purchasing the product? If so, then you do not need to blow to highlighting anything else. On the other hand, if after scanning the sales copy you felt there were key areas that were left out or didn't have the importance they should, then go back and emphasize them. But again, don't get carried away. You just want to hit the viewers with key point, not blink them with neon light. Article. Using article for website content has recently jumped up to list regard to both site development and generating traffic. When it comes to article, them less there are categorized. Article that you write yourself. Article that someone else write your article that belong to other but are free to publish. Article you have write yourself always the best be. At least with regard to ultimate benefit you will receive for them. Rather than just provide content for your website, they can be used viral marketing and SEO tools that involve writing the article with specific and highly searched keyword in mind. Include your one research box which has information about your and link your website. Announcing that is article or free distribution provide your resource box is not. Remove submitting the article to online directory. Compiling article of similar them into an book including link information to your website and then offering the book for free without requiring a name and email address period to download. Of course, the primary problem with you like write your article and finding a time to do so. You might get a few of them on knocked, but attempting to product article on a regular basis for any length of time would more like for provide futile. That where having article right for your comes in. If you don't have already know of professional ghost right conduct search, there are penalty of good to write up there, but don't really entirely of that there. Credential of example, they have published their one novels. Just because someone can write it doesn't necessarily mean that will write your article well. If they are able to show similar article they are writing, oftentimes they are not able to do because of confidently contract they have with their slightly. Have them send a smile simple writing based on topic you are looking for. That's give you ability to see finish it what kind of result you can expect. Other than conducting randomly search, you can simply submit a writing project at place like Alliance. As previously mentioned, however, you need to be cautious about who hire for those type of service. In many cause English is not to the person in fast language. Once you find someone you can rely on create quality article once that you would be comfortable signing your one name. It is merely matter having their create as many articles as you want to and need, as often as you can afford. To again larger volume of content without an expensive without you can simply go to online article directories and snap articles that are relevant to your particular topic or subject matter. Just make certain that you always include a required resource box. The one problem is the time and effort that involve gathering a larger quantity of article viruses directories. A good software program that will save you whole lot of time and effort is Article Equalizer. All of you do is set up your project by filling a new blanks and then choose data source and category based on the information. The program will be then collected up to 1000 articles. At the point you can select whatever article you want to use, then have programming generate HTML web page for each of them. You can upload page the way they built better if you copy and paste just article part of code into your one web page. So many additional article page become a natural extension of the rest of your site. RSS feeds. This is a way of asset of adding fresh and every changing content to your website. The only thing you have to do aside choosing what RSS feeder include on your website is copy and paste com code. The feed itself does the rest, providing new and valuable content on a regular basis. The information content what actually appear on your web page can be anything for URL link to full articles and everything in between. Since the object is to add substantial content to your web page, feeds that merely supply URL link would not be sufficient. There are fine assuming you don't have solely in them instead them supplement other feed content. A better choice would be a URL link that also provide descriptive paragraph about each of the link. That way you are adding true text content. Either by link would lead to website where the information originate. For example, if you added a new feed, the link might take you means web right you viewer would be able read to completely or article. The best PDF once you supply text content. That is something more substantial. The Mariel link brief description. It could be article, it could be small portion of information content, or it could be current blog posting. Implementing feeds. In order to include RSS feed on your website, you have three choices. One, you can simply add code that provided by the website where the content originate. Most often this is accomplishable through of line JavaScript. Script language, yes. This type of RS feed system is one of the don't everyone to use. Not if you are trying to again my form of CEO bin effect benefits. Why? Because most search engine curls spider will never see the content itself. The only thing they will encounter is a JavaScript code like the one shown above. and that means you don't score in point of actually content. The best method of remote content access is which is associated with the server side, including the code would look like this. In the particular instant in the content will in fact display both on the page itself and within the page source code. You have fresh content and you have ability to impress the search engine. Unfortunately, the JavaScript method is what website utilize in order to make the RSS feed available. The other SSI more commonly associated with is syndicate article. Even so, it is better of the two choices too. You can implement a advertising RSS feed system independent phase based installation. One of the most popular choice of this type of service is called CARP. What CARP does is convert RSS to HTML so it can be customized integrated into your website page. Plus it allow you choice how to often you would like your site update. They even often full functional free version. With the type of system you can benefit from search engine. No, their spider can access and the reward you for supplying update valuable content to all of your web page. 3. You can implement software that allow you to actually target your RSS feed to specific keyword from a search engine point of view. Definitely the best choice of all three possibility. Let's say for example, you have got now numerous page devoted to finance and loan information in search, and each one of those pages based on a specific popular keyword. Rather than settle for usually random and somewhat general finance information, you could display keyword target content of individual page. If the page target toward debate reduction, the RSS feed would automatically provide content that is based on topic debate reduction. If the page target toward home equity loan compresses, the feed would automatically provide content that is based on a topic home equity loan comparison, and so on and so on. The best way handle the type of job automatically placing specific and highly target keyword related content on each of your web page is to use a program called RSS equalizer. Aside from along you do add full dynamic the related content. There is advanced keyword tracking built right in. You can also build group that will act as a single RSS feed, and you can use multiple instance of RSS equalizer on any given web page. Using this type of program, you not only have the ability to include fresh new content on a regular basis, it is keyword specific. That means you can improve the search engine listing and or rank for any those page as well. The best part of course is the fact that you only have to set up RSS equalizer once. From that point on, it's all hand-free operation allowing you to concentrate on these areas such as marketing and promotion. Checklist. Sales copy. Service like aliens better of finding hiring programmers and then project require a good written and language skill choice careful. If your use sales letter creation software like the ones provided by sales letter creator. Important that manually tweak, refine and improve what the software initially created. You have only got a few seconds to grab your view's attention. Do that by standard your sales letter with a very comprehensive heading on that stop view on that track and cause them easier being to read the main sales content. Keep the overall tone of your sales copyright personal. In conversation as though you are actually speaking to that person while sitting right there in front of them. Develop a sales letter framework that lead the view from initiative content to order link. Create a second structure of presenting information to clean a clear manner and allow the view on the scan page and still acquire all the relevant and important points. Use built list and subheading to provide the accent important and related point information well as break of the length, expansion, solid text area. Emphasize important word and phrase throughout the sales content. But don't get carried away. Only use bold and highlight in order to draw in viewers' attention to the what slightly relevant to overall message. Incorporate the most powerful testimonial throughout the sales copy, matching each testimonial with the content being discussed. If you have larger volume of testimonial, include a link that lead to a separate, more consumer testimonial page. Add one to postscript and promote whoever read the entire sales copy and to take desired action of making a purchase. Create emphasis of the keyword and phrase using bold, italic, highlight and background color. Only use emphasize where specifically want to need draw and views attention. Overuse of bold and highlight accent will cause the entire sales copy to little of no or not impact. Article. Writing your own article begins the added benefit of being able to use them as viral. Marketing and SEO tools. Always include a good solid resource box and lead back to you and website. Allow others to fairly distribute your article with the specialization. Leave the research box intact. Submit your article to as many online article directories as possible. Compile articles that have similar theme or topic into a free distribution ebook. You can save time and effort by paying ghostwriter to create article for your locate. Someone through redeem search and through a service such as aliens. Gather larger quantity of article by using online article directories. Organize and streamline your content management task by the using a software program like Article Equalizer RSS. If you plan to use JavaScript code, add an RSS feed to your page. Be prepared to lose any value associated with the search engine reward with supplying fresh content. Using server-side include means the search engine spider will be able to see the content, but it is associated more, more with articles indicate the RSS feed. Service like Scarp convert RSS in HTML so the content can be customized and integrated into your web page. The most beneficial method for adding RSS to your web page is through you use a program like RSS Equalizer which automatically display keyword target content. Resource LNS Sales Letter Creator Article Equalizer CARP RSS Equalizer